The powerful reporting capability in Slate includes the ability to periodically send reports to specific recipients by email. Depending on your circumstances, it might be preferable to use a more secure method, such as a portal, to provide sensitive information. To send a report by email, first locate the report that you want to send. You can access the reports page in a number of ways, but in this example, I am going directly to the Slate navigation bar and selecting Reports. If you are on the Queries, Voyager, or Widgets page, you can click the Reports icon in the upper right of the page. Select an existing report. In this example, I'm selecting the Leadership Overview Report. On the upper right of the page, click Edit Report, and then Edit to open an Edit Report pop-up. About halfway down, find the section called Schedule Report. Selecting Weekly opens up additional options. In the Recipients field, add a single recipient's email address, or you can add a comma-separated list of recipient email addresses if you have more than one. Select a start date and an end date. If you don't specify an end date, the reports will continue sending until you stop them. Select the interval for the delivery. The default value for the interval is 1, which means the report will send every week. If you would rather send this every 2 weeks, send the interval to 2. Select the day of the week when the report should be sent and the desired time frame or delivery window for sending the email. Selecting monthly opens up a few different options. In the Recipients field, add a single recipient's email address, or add a comma-separated list of recipient email addresses if you have more than one. Select a start date and an end date. If you don't specify an end date, the reports will continue sending until you stop them. Select the day of the month when the report should be sent and the desired delivery window for the email. Once you have your report schedule set up, click Save, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for additional Slate Bytes content.